Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to move icon on iPhone. It's very easy to do. First is to long press your screen. Have it long press in any space. And then you will be able to see that these icons here are jiggling with that minus sign or a line next or on the left side of the icon. So you can now start moving the icons in anywhere you want them to be, or you can also make a folder to put icons with the same usage together. So for example, this one Canva, I'm going to put this together with the social media accounts or platform that I have. So you can also make your folders, and you can just randomly arrange your icons over here. Now, if you wish to make a new folder, you can just tap that plus icon or plus button in the upper left corner of your phone and then start writing the title, and then you can put inside all the icons that you wish to. Tap done on the upper right corner if you think you're done. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.